Hey everyone, welcome back to DataSurface. Today, I am walking you through the complete curriculum of our data warehousing series. Think of this video as your roadmap. Step by step, you will see everything. We'll be learning together. So let's dive right in. We start with the module 1, foundational concepts and principles. So this is basically the data warehousing kickstart. Here, we will cover the basics, what a data warehouse is, why it matters, and data warehouse history, and some real world examples. This is your foundation for the everything that comes next. Alright, let's move on to the module 2. Why we need a data warehouse? Imagine this. You run a retail business, your sales data is in one system, and your marketing data is somewhere else, and your customer feedback is in another tool. How do you make sense of it all? That's where data warehouse comes in. It brings everything together, ensures consistency, and help you make smarter business decisions. Now let's move on to the module 3. It's all about the evolution of data warehousing. We'll take a quick journey from old school on-premise systems to modern cloud native platforms. It's a fascinating to see how far we have come. So basically, first and second module, we will see like what is data warehouse, why we need the data warehouse, how the data warehouse is going to help to the business in real world. We will see all the fundamental principles. Now coming to the evaluation of data warehouse is basically, so we'll see when the data warehouse introduced and how it got evaluated. Like now currently cloud era is going on, right? So we will see from on-premise data warehouses to the cloud native data warehouses, how the evaluation is happened in this particular module. Let's move on to the module 4, data warehouse architecture. Here we will open up the engine and look inside. We'll explore the different layers are available inside the data warehouse, like a staging layer, integration layer, and presentation layer. This will help you understand how data flows inside a warehouse. So basically, we'll see the complete workflow of the data warehouse architecture, how the data is coming from different data sources. Once the data coming to the inside of the data warehouse, how we are going to organize the different layers, what is the significance of each layer, we will discuss as part of this particular module. So module 5 is all about data modeling. We will explore how the data is structured using star schema and Snowflake schema. If you have ever wondered why your BI dashboards run smoothly, data modeling is the secret sauce. Right? Like once we bring the data into the data warehouse, we need to organize the data as per the business requirements, and it should easily understandable and easily readable, so that the business people can easily query the data and they can build their dashboards, right? So in order to happen this smoothly, we need to model the data. Basically, we need to organize the data, right? So there are different types of data modeling techniques are available in the data warehousing, like star schema, snow schema. Star schema, snow schema is the most frequently used data modeling techniques in on-premise systems. Then we will see the one big table concept and data vault architecture as well as part of this particular module. Next, move on to the module 6, data integration patterns, ETL versus ELT. So don't worry, we'll keep this simple. ETL means extract, transform, and load is the classic approach. Then ELT is a modern approach. We'll extract, load the data, then we will transform the data inside the data warehouse. It is a modern cloud optimized approach. We'll break down how they work, why ELTs became popular, and when to use which one. Now let's move to the module 7, CDC and slowly changing dimensions. So business data is never static. Customer addresses changes, phone numbers changes, the product categories get updated. We'll see how warehouse handle the changes without losing historical accuracy. So this is basically how we are going to maintain the history. So what are the possible options are available. So we'll deep dive about those topics as part of this module. So like you might heard about the slowly changing dimensions, SCD type 1, type 2. So what it means, how the data is maintained, we will deep dive about those topics as part of this particular module. In module 8, we will talk about partitioning and clustering. So basically, once we brought the data into the data warehouse and you model the data, then since the data value is growing on, the performance of the queries, it might reduce it. So in this module, what are the performance tuning techniques are available in the data warehouse and how to tackle if there are any particular query or particular dashboard is taking so much time. We will see what are the techniques are available to improve the performance as part of this particular module in data warehouse. So basically, we'll talk about partitioning and clustering. Sounds fancy, right? But simply put, these are the performance boosters. They are techniques to make queries run faster, especially when you are working with billions of rows. All right, let's move to the module 9 is all about data governance. Like you brought the data inside the data warehouse, you have properly organized the data as per the business requirement and all the dashboards are running fine. The queries are executing within the time frame. There is no performance issues and all. Now, the data governance is the key team will play key role in handling sensitive data inside the data warehouse. So think of it as trust and security for your data. We will cover quality checks, security measures and data lineage and data stewardship as part of this particular module. Because in the end, analytics is only as good as the reliability of the data, right? And finally, module 10, we will do one end-to-end project in data warehousing. So this is where we bring everything together, start from raw data, applying ETL or ELT, modeling it and finishing with the dashboard or BI report query. It is a complete hands-on walkthrough so that you will get complete picture. By the end of this series, even you don't have any knowledge about the data warehouse, you know only SQL, you will be able to get a kind of a knowledge who worked in 3 to 4 years in data warehousing. So that's our 10 module roadmap for this data warehousing series. By end of this playlist, you will not only understand the concepts, you will see how they all connect in practice. If you are serious about mastering data, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. We have got some incredible deep dives coming your way. See you in the next video. Thank you.